Hello friends, today right now I am in Ghum, Darjeeling, Ghum railway station, and right now I am just strolling and going through the Ghum station. This is the engine, right, Ghum engine, and you can see this engine, okay, was manufactured in 1881. Yeah, this is the engine. 1881 में बना हुआ ये टॉय ट्रेन का मॉडल है. You can see people just yeah. Just moving around the park. Now this is something workshop, something like that, right? So I just step back. Okay, just step for a better view. Right. I hope you can see it. So yeah, this depot, right? This is a depot. This was manufactured in 1940 at Tindhare. So this is one depot. The second depot in front of us, this one, I hope you can see it. It's manufactured in 1943. Yeah, it's quite an ancient one. And lastly, the last depot, you can see over here, there are 3 depots, right? It was manufactured again in 1943. And this is something, I also don't know what is it, some kind of capacity or water tank, something. Yeah. And it was, they haven't mentioned the year of manufacture, but it said it remained in service up to 1981. Yeah, this is one. So, quite an ancient piece over here. Ghum railway station. Now let me just go up. Now this is the place where the first shoot of Burfi movie was taken place, and this is the bridge. So the bridge you can see over here is the bridge in which the first scene between Ranbir Kapoor and Ileana Cruz happened, right? Wherein he just takes out the heart and all those things. So yeah. And from here you can see the road that you can see straight that goes to Siliguri, Korshong, and the road this one, just a moment. Yeah, this road, the road you can see over here, this goes to Sukhya, Manebanjang, Mirik, and this also leads to Nepal. So yeah, so this is the kind of a meeting place. And if you go, and you can see over here, this leads to Darjeeling. Okay, and now this is railway station premises. I think we are not allowed to enter, but let's try. Let's see if you are allowed to go inside. This is the museum. Oh, nice. So this is the museum, guys. This is the first visit mine. Let's have a walk. Let's see. So this is the Ghum Museum, Railway Museum. Wow. Yeah, it was inaugurated by our Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee. Definitely a must-visit place over here. So it says please do not touch, so definitely we won't touch it. Oh, there is some piece of history out here. So would recommend everyone to make a visit to Ghum railway station. You can enjoy the sceneries, the ancient pictures. This is something that people used to use this for transportation. A person would sit at the back and one person would pull it. Yeah, so definitely we won't sit it. It's ancient chairs. We do respect our heritage. Okay, let's DHR. Now let's go down to the platform. And it's a quite cold day today. So this is the Ghum platform. One side, the other side. I'll just show you the other side also. So Ghum. It lies on the road to Darjeeling. You have to cross Ghum in order to reach Darjeeling. So yeah, this is one platform wherein the toy train comes and they just take a rest. And people on board take on board over here. And let me just show you the other side. Okay, there's something. Maybe the office. This is the other side of the station. Other side of the platform. Typically, people don't board the train from here. And here also, there were lots of shooting happened for Burfi. So again, this road leads to Darjeeling. And if you go straight, there's a diversion that leads to Siliguri and Merik. Okay, friends. That's it for today. I hope you liked the Ghum railway station visit. Yeah. Lastly, the train schedules. You can find the details in the description also. See you there. You can see it happens in Darjeeling only. A cab just runs on the railway tracks. It's quite common over here.